cosmic fusion of performance and precision. Is a symphony of speed and style.
If it's written in the stars.
Welcome back. The journey continues on Top Speed on YTV. We are now going into the most interesting part of this show, which is wired for sound. We are going to look at sound systems like Meridian, Bose, and many others. Just sit there and watch for yourself.
If it's written in the stars.
Wired for sound. Some parts of history tell us that putting music and radio in cars was not easy, and early in the century, pressure groups were formed to fight for and against the installation of audio systems in motor cars. Critics cited the dangers of distractions that will come along with such development. These groups' reasoning, among others, were the risk of dozing off while listening to calming music. Those in the defense of the installation of sound system, mostly car manufacturers, on the other hand, argued that radio had the capacity to warn drivers of adverse road conditions and other life-threatening or any other hazards in their path, as well as keep fatigued drivers alert. As opposed to those against the development, it is worth noting that somehow amazingly, cell phones are rated as one of the biggest risky of many of the so-called gadgets. Such is backed by the fact in some countries, if not many or even all, their usage while driving has been outlawed. In this week's edition and the second of the three-part series, Top Speed continues to look at some of the finest audio systems to have ever been a part of our automobile lives. Bose says they believe hearing is the most powerful of all human senses and that better sound can inspire you, empower you, and connect you. At Bose, we deliver premium audio experiences for entertainment and beyond, inside your car and everywhere that matters. The Porsche 718 Boxster came available with a premium Bose system complete with 10 high-performance speakers, 5.1-inch digital signal processing, and audio pilot, center point, and surround stage technologies. An Infiniti Q50 available with the Boost Performance Series system complete with 16 high-performance speakers, advanced staging, audio pilot, center point, and surround stage. This system also features active sound management, engine harmonic cancellation, and engine harmonic enhancement technologies. According to the company's website, Bose says they custom engineer every sound system for each individual model. We obsess over every detail, from the acoustical analysis of the cabin to the component selection and placement with careful integration into vehicle structure, and finally a meticulous process of listening, evaluation, and custom tuning and equalization. For over 30 years, Harman Kardon sound systems have been expertly designed to fill each BMW model's unique interior with detailed, balanced sound that holds you spellbound. It's a listening experience that enhances each movement behind the wheel so that every journey becomes extraordinary. Dynamic, powerful, and utterly transfixing, Harman Kardon in BMW delivers unparalleled listening enjoyment. Meridian. As a leader of pioneering British audio and innovation, Meridian shares Land Rover's drive for quality, performance, and dedication in order to recreate the most authentic and immersive sound possible. Meridian REQ is a cabin correction technology that removes unwanted cabin resonances, preserving the natural rhythm and timing of the performance. Bass become smooth, deep, and balanced. The Meridian system features a number of advanced proprietary technologies to optimize and enhance both the driver and passenger's listening experience, informed by the way in which humans process sound. Sony. Sony is the name which has been associated with the best music and audio systems over the years and has built an enviable reputation in the industry for delivering one of the best sound experiences. The Sonica audio systems are in great demand in the accessories market. It was but natural that they will be called upon to provide OEM systems for cars. The new Scorpio N has added a touch of sophistication to its styling with Scorpion-inspired touches that are a far cry from the previous iterations of the Scorpio. It is a premium SUV that comes fully loaded with a congregation of features that add to its appeal.
If it's written in the stars.
That was it for today's topic that was about sound. We'll catch you on the other side.
More of a cosmic fusion of performance and precision. Is a symphony of speed and style.
If it's written in the stars.